Hi guys, I'm Artie Poodle, and today in this video I'm gonna do a new series on my channel, a monthly series. So yeah, okay, my dogs just started playing on the floor, under my floor, so I don't know how you say it in English, doesn't matter. So a new series on my channel, I'm gonna post a monthly video. I'm gonna start off with my Moleskine sketchbook and my new Faber-Castell sketch pencil. I really love the pencil, and I'm gonna do a review about this book, but I just want to try it out a little bit more because I just bought an iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil, so I've been drawing digital a little bit more, but I had some time to experience the Moleskine sketchbook, and I must say it isn't really for markers, this one, because it's really thin paper, but it works pretty well. So enough about that. This drawing a monthly series, this is my first video of the monthly series, and I actually want to draw I actually want to post one video in a month more, but one of the series, so one series video a month, something like that. So 12 videos of that series in a year, and I just want to be inspired by the months of that time. So this is my first drawing. This is the girl from January, and I already did the girl from February, but I just need to edit the video and actually finish the drawing, because I've been doing something special with that drawing, but that's what you're gonna see in the second video, so the February video. And I know it's already February right now, but you know, I just took a little bit vacation for myself. I just took a little bit time to see what I was going to do with my channel, with my art, with all of those things, and I still didn't figure it out, but I do know that I really love to make those videos, those voiceovers, those drawings, reviews, just talking on a video to I don't know who, because I don't know my viewers personally, but I think it's just really fun to do, because YouTube is a place where the world comes together, and I think that's beautiful, and to be a part of that is just more than enough for me. So yeah, I just want to keep doing those videos. I just love drawing way too much. I love making videos and editing them and all those things that comes with it. Only the marketing stuff is not my thing, but I just love doing this. So I'm gonna make videos, and I'm gonna continue to make videos. That's one thing that I know for sure. I'm gonna try to post one video a week at least, and we'll see how it goes. And guys, please tell me if you want to see videos, if you want to do a request, if you have questions of anything, please ask them to me, because I would really love to answer them. And you know, if you have like a request video or a fun question, I could always make a video out of it. You know, it's always fun for me to know what you guys want to see on this channel, or want to see me draw, or things like that. And for now, actually, that's it. That's all I wanted to say for now. So back to the drawing. I did make a sketch before, a quick sketch of this girl, like you see in the beginning of this video, and I'm just gonna continue to make the sketch a little bit more finished. And you know what, I was inspired by January, and January, it's a cold month. Everybody is a little bit depressed because it's New Year and the holidays are over, and people need to go back to work. And like now, at this moment when I'm doing this voiceover, I'm looking outside the window, and the air is so gray it could be, and it's raining, and it's only 5 o'clock in the evening, so you know, it's already getting dark again, and I'm so tired of winter, guys. I know winter is cozy and stuff like that, but I just want it to be summer again. I want to wear some shorts and my slippers, my flip-flops, or even no shoes, you know, just go bare feet. I just want to swim in the lake and feel the sun on my face. It would be nice, you know. And yesterday it was actually a pretty nice day out here, because I did go on a jog with my dog. So yeah, it was pretty good weather. I'm not gonna jog in the rain. So Enough about the weather, but this girl is inspired by the weather of January, of course. You know, it's cold. I'm always feeling like drinking a coffee, so I gave this girl a coffee. I did wear my hat a lot this time of the year, and I see other people wearing hats, so yeah, I gave the girl a hat as well. And my scarf, I'm always wearing a scarf. Even on summer evenings when it's get a little bit cold, I just wear my scarf, because a scarf is just something cozy, something fun. You could wear it like a shirt or just like a normal scarf. You can wear it like a skirt even if you want to. You can sit on it, you always have a blanket with you. I think it's awesome, so I gave this girl a beautiful scarf. And some gloves as well, of course. And she's wearing a skirt with some high boots. And I actually never wear skirts, especially in winter. I will never wear a skirt in winter. Or it's for like a special occasion when someone is celebrating their anniversary or their birthday, or maybe a new kid in the family, things like that. But just on a normal day, no, I'm not gonna wear skirt. Even in the summer, maybe this year I will, but no, I never was a skirt or a dress type of girl on a normal day. So, but I gave this girl a skirt because I think a skirt is pretty cute with some high heels and some stockings underneath. Not stockings because that sounds like a little bit dirty, but just some high socks underneath. I don't know how you say it in English, so if you guys know it, then comment down below, please. And yeah, that's it. Just some medium length hair and a very cute pose. Nothing more to say about the drawing, actually. Just a pretty quick drawing. The first of this series, and probably the next series, the next videos of this series could be digital. I'm not saying it would be, but it could be, because I'm in love with the iPad Pro and Procreate. I just can't bring myself to take a normal pencil and a normal sketchbook for now. I'm just in love with it. Just an all new experience, and I just got it just a week ago, so it's still pretty new for me. And I actually never had an Apple device before. I had it like maybe 14 years ago, one of the first iPods that came out. So yeah, I'm that old. I will be 24 somewhere in this year. So yeah, and I did remember that I really loved that device. But this iPad Pro, guys, it's ridiculous. I mean, the sound is just mind-blowing. It's better than my TV, than my computer. I mean, it's just ridiculous how good that device is. And I will make a separate video about that. And I know I've been talking about the iPad Pro, and I've been talking about all of those things, maybe just a few minutes about this drawing. But you know what, I just want to catch up with you guys and want to let you know what's just going on here, and what I have in mind with my channel. So if you guys want to see more Procreate drawings, then I could do that. That's a possibility, and I would love to do that. And maybe it would be a mix from just filming like I normally film from the top with my camera on my desk, or it could be from my couch, because Procreate and the iPad Pro has a screen recorder installed, time-lapse thing installed, so that's pretty amazing. But you know, that's it for now. I'm just gonna close off the video on a good note, and I'm just getting a call right now, so it's a great moment to just end the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I thought it was I was gonna say, no, I'm not gonna say it. I thought it was someone else, but it wasn't someone important, so I didn't pick up my phone. Maybe I should have checked that before, but I just want to tell you guys once again, thank you for watching. This is the result of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really am proud of the result once again, and just have a great week so far, and thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.